are welcome to my channel. This is Love Line, a microbiologist with great passion for healthy lifestyle. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a simple but very nutritious smoothie recipe that will not just be good for you alone, but for the entire family, even for your kids. Let's dive in. So for this recipe, I have my carrots already washed, cut into smaller pieces to aid the blending process.
Carrots are great immune boosters with numerous essential nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, phosphorus, and potassium. Carrots also contains antioxidants, fibre, and beta-carotene. They are great for bone health and brain power. In addition, they aid weight loss as they contain fibre and help promote bile secretion, enabling you to burn more fat. Carrots have been linked with lowering cholesterol levels and can also improve eye and skin health. Here is how the nutrients in carrots may affect your body. Vitamin A for eye health and healthy organs. Vitamin C to boost your immune system and give you beautiful skin. Vitamin K for bone health. Potassium to manage blood pressure. Antioxidants to fight free radicals.
So I also have here my frozen blueberries to add to this recipe.
Blueberries. Their dark colors does not only make them stand out, but also proves the presence of phytochemicals. Blueberries can help maintain heart health, bone health, skin health, manage diabetes and blood pressure. It can also boost mental health as it helps prevent aging. Apart from being antioxidant rich, blueberries are excellent sources of vitamin K and C, manganese and fiber.
Also, I have my avocado.
Avocados are rich in antioxidants, rich in fiber, and also in heart-friendly monosaturated fat. They are also known to be a great superfood because they contain so many nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin E. They are naturally sodium-free, sugar-free, and also free of cholesterol.
I have pumpkin seeds. You may do well to choose another seed of your choice. This is the one I prefer.
Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in fiber, protein, and unsaturated fats. They are very high in minerals like magnesium, iron, calcium, potassium, vitamin K, copper, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. They are high in antioxidants with great anti-inflammatory properties. Pumpkin seed has so many health benefits. They protect the prostate, improve bladder function, relieve depression, improve heart health, boost brain health. They also prevent osteoporosis and boost the immune system. Eating some pumpkin seed few hours before bedtime can improve your sleep. They are rich in tryptophan, which may help with the production of melatonin and serotonin. They are good for adults and children. Add some to your smoothies to enjoy these nourishing benefits.
So lastly, I have my banana.
Bananas are not only known for their popularity, but also for the sweetness they bring to the table. They contain many important nutrients and are associated with many health benefits. They are very high in potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, copper, manganese, and many more. The potassium in banana promotes healthy heart and kidney and also help in managing blood pressure. They also improve digestion and help manage weight loss. Bananas contain powerful antioxidants. Eat them in moderation and always pair your bananas with some unsaturated fat sources like seeds and nuts to reduce blood sugar spike.
So guys, to start off with the blending, I have to put some of the carrots into my blender and add the seeds. This is about 2 spoons of pumpkin seeds. Then I have to pour in some water. So I have to start blending. While I blend, I keep adding more of the carrots. So I'm done with blending the carrots and the pumpkin seeds. So I'll proceed to add my frozen blueberry, my avocado, and lastly, my banana. These 3 ingredients will be going in at the same time. So I'm putting in my blueberries, avocado, and lastly, I have to add my banana. I have 2 fingers of banana. So guys, here we are. So I have to blend again for just a little while to get everything well mixed. So you may decide to add some of this or not, it's up to you. This is natural yogurt. This is just to increase the quantity of fat and oil in this smoothie, because this is what will help your body to really absorb all the nutrients in this recipe. So ensure you add enough fat to it. It will enhance absorption of the nutrients.
Yogurt. Yogurt is a good source of calcium, potassium, and probiotics. Regular consumption of yogurt is associated with better immune system and can reduce inflammation. Yogurt contains many everyday nutrients your body needs. So we are going to blend just for a little while, just a little bit, because we just added the yogurt. Just a little blending at this point. So guys, this is what we came up with. You can see it has a creamy look. Honestly, your kids will love this. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe and click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. With this, I want to say thank you for watching and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye! This is good for you.